Every Creature Has a Story by Janaki Lenin. This book is not like every other biodiversity book. The subtitle on the cover is appealing: What Science Reveals About Animal Behavior. It is a collection of essays that Lenin wrote for The Wire over a period of time. These 50 essays are about the nature's gift, the fauna. You can tell from the depth of the margins just how hard an author has had to work to draw these essays out. The chapter titles either contain action-packed words like amorous, dodging, empathetic, or giving birth to some new blending like voting in African wild dogs, making peace with wolves, rodent monogamy, or why don't elephants get cancer? What a relief then to read a book that breaks the mold of biology or life sciences. It is just released in 2023, definitely catching the eye of scientific readers. It looks and feels like a textbook intrigued with behavioral ecology with an environmental sense. Much of the book is a manual for creating what the authors call the challenge of getting science right, while communicating it accurately enough. The book grapples with problems of very fast-changing behavioral ecology with connotations to human behaviors. The insights built up as the reader weaves through the practices found in the creature's kingdom, in this instance getting biology or environmental practitioners to do practical work as a part of development process. There are 50 chapters. Yes, you heard it right. 50 chapters on 50 different animals. Here are some of the interesting facts from the book. Chimpanzees grieve or sometimes slip into depression and dies if an infant or adult chimpanzee close to them dies. Seals use the smell of their fur to find their babies or their blood relatives among hundreds of other seals. Global warming affects whether certain animals will give birth to a male or a female offspring. There are plants with private armies to protect themselves. These are just 4 facts out of the 50. So imagine cheers ringing into every chapter written with both amusement and adoration about behavioral ecology. What amazes me the most is how animals act like human beings. They mourn for their loved ones, they plan and plot like an intelligent being. Their survival instinct is great, and mostly each and every animal has some or the other trait that it shows they are not weak or dumb creatures. They are intelligent and complex beings, a very important part of our ecosystem. It's a perfect book for anyone who is interested in knowing about the animal behavior and the marvels of nature. Some of the explorations that Lenin undertakes touch upon questions that have reached an unprecedented pertinence in our present lives. Perhaps the conjecture that bees are born vaccinated could kindle hope for the upcoming times, that chimpanzees mourn for their dead could reassure our existential crisis-stricken selves. Perhaps we could learn empathy from prairie wolves, who also are known to be monogamous lifelong. This book is trying to do something far more original and useful, turning you into a better field environmentalist. I am highly recommending this book to the ones who love reading about our fauna and are curious to gain nuggets of knowledge in a light and breezy manner. The essays are spread on different animals and their not so known traits. This book makes one realize how every life form on earth is so special.